So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. Today I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to try and show you how to convert a PDF to PowerPoint in case you don't know how to do it. So this is not a recommendation. This is what I personally do. I go to I love PDF. Then what do? It says convert PDF to PowerPoint. It's in Spanish, but obviously you can have it in English too, the version. So I just basically get the PDF. I just put it here. You do not need to access or log in. Then I click convert to PowerPoint, and then automatically it will do it. Then download, and here you've got it. You open it up and it's a PowerPoint. It's very easy to do. I think it's quite simple, and it's not just on PDFs. You can convert almost anything you can imagine, and always it's cost free, and you do not need to be registered whatsoever. So I think this is amazing, and that's why I'm strongly using it, especially for those of you who haven't got, normally there are some readers, PDF readers, that if you've got the premium version, they do let you actually modify it, but not the actual normal versions, okay? So if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, me or anyone from the Learning MD team will answer as shortly as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. And as always, thank you very much for watching.